Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Wednesday, June the 12th, 2013. We'll be looking at a few different charts today, focusing mainly on the U.S., but there's other charts out there as well. Remember, we update them all every single night at the free website, so if you want to look at a particular chart that I don't happen to cover on one particular night, just go to the free website, PerfectStockAlert.com. You can check out the charts there. I'll show you where they're at in a minute. But the main thing here with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, very interesting change here. Note this 50-period moving average, this red line right here. This line here is typically where you'll find support in a bullish uptrending market. And so you'll get a pullback and you'll get a hammer candlestick formation off of that support line, and that's where you do your best buying opportunities, so forth and so on. And then back here we had the same condition, and we told you at this time that it was just a bounce. It was nothing to be concerned with. It was going to fail, basically, because we had all these sell signals over here that was tipping their hand, telling us that we have massive sell pressure at this level. Ergo, there's not really anywhere for bulls to go at this point. They bounce up and then hit sell pressure and roll back over. So we weren't concerned with that. And then we have seen something different happen today. Today we see a massive sell signal at the 50-period moving average. Now, if you've been tracking these videos that we do every single night, you know we cover the globe and we show you different opportunities throughout the world. And you'll notice that the pattern that you've seen has been a sell signal at the 50, always comes before the break and the continuation lower. So by break, I mean closing below that red line, the 50-period moving average. Anticipate that coming. That means you're taking out this level here. Once that's done, bulls will realize, oh shoot, we were completely wrong, and they will become much more cautious. We'll be testing this level down here, which means this 1440 level here. And again, this has got lots of downside potential here. I don't see any slowing down here. Let's move on. Quick glance again at the NASDAQ. We covered this one yesterday, showed you we had the sell signal form as of yesterday. It was the black arrow indicating that we have a sell set up here, and if you got 1 cent lower than this low the following day, even if intraday, that would be confirmation to start selling. That was exactly what you got here. So you get the blue arrow indicating it's confirmed sell, and if you're looking to take out this low, this is just a formality at this point in time. I don't see anything here that would indicate you should be a buyer. This bounce here off of the 50-period moving average area, not as strong as you were seeing in the Dow Jones because it didn't come down and actually touch the 50-period moving average. But in this particular case, it didn't make a difference. You still just roll over. You're now closing down at the same level you were at before. I don't see anything here to indicate you should be doing buying. Look for this to take this out and close below the 50-period moving average. We've done that in the past as well. It's not new for this. And at that point in time, you'd be coming down to test previous support. That would be down here as well. Note no hammer candlestick formation off the low. We talked about that back here as well. No hammer candlestick formation. This is not a true bottom. When it's tested, it will fail. That's exactly what happened. You bounced, you tested, and you fail. You went lower. Now you come up here, and you're going to come back out and test it again. What's going to happen? You're going to go lower. So again, we're looking for trading below this 200-period moving average on the NASDAQ. Looking now at the Wilshire 4500, the EMW, you can see the basic same overall story. We were not concerned with this one on the bounce here. No hammer candlestick formation. This is not a strong, not a buy signal, nothing. It was just a bounce, and that's exactly what happened. You bounce, found resistance at the 20-period moving average within the or the middle Bollinger Band line is the same thing, and then we just simply rolled over. And now we have a sell sign on the 50. So again, anything on in a bullish market, you look for support and buy signals, things of that nature, at the 50-period moving average or below it. In a bearish condition, you look for sell opportunities at or above the 50-period moving average. Again, this is a sell opportunity. We've marked it as such, and a lower low than today's low. Today's low is 826.02. So if we were to hit 826.03, 0.01, to downside. Even by a penny lower, we would obviously take that as a entry opportunity on the sell side and begin to sell that. We're already short this position from this rally that we had and fell here, so it's no big deal. But if you're looking for an opportunity to get short, looking for a signal, that would be one. Again, I want to point out, and I keep doing this, and my objective here is to teach you, and so whenever you're looking at the different chart patterns, or if you set up your charts the way I've set mine up, you know that you've got the ultimate oscillator up here, and it does a lot of different things. It can give you an overbought signals, it can give you bearish divergence formations, a lot of different things, or bullish divergence and so forth and so on. In this particular situation, there's something else being shown to you, and that is that you are peaking at that 60 line. Whenever you do that, whenever you are incapable of coming up here and hitting into the 70 line like you usually usually do, you are no longer in a bull market, you're in a bear market. That's what this is indicating for you. Typically, in a bull market, you have the opposite. The different scenario will be that you will find support at the 40 to 50 line, and you will bounce up there into the 70 line. That's normal, and then you're in a bullish condition. When that stops happening, it's indicating to you that you've gone into a bearish condition, which again is confirmed by the price activity here. Quick little update for you. If you're looking for any particular chart, remember that I update the stop loss limits and the signals on the charts nightly, though I may not actually cover them all in a nightly video. So if you want to know any particular chart, be sure to go here to the market chart section under the markets tab, and you will find my personal charts, both short-term and long-term, and you'll see my notations as well as my stop loss limits, etc., etc. Okay, they're right there. Also, if you're wondering how to trade certain styles or certain methods, or you don't understand anything that I've mentioned in this video, you can go here to the technical section on the Trade School. You can learn different trading styles, or you can learn about technical analysis here, okay? God bless, take care, enjoy the money making, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.